In this video, we're diving into how to monitor team performance in teamwork.com. Whether you're new to this software or looking for ways to optimize your team's workflow, stay tuned because I'll show you how to keep track of your team's progress like a pro without feeling overwhelmed. And just so you know, you can get started with teamwork.com completely free through the first link below, plus access our exclusive bonuses. Teamwork.com offers a variety of tools that help managers stay on top of team performance, and today we're going to focus on how you can use these tools to get a clear overview of your team's output and performance. This is crucial for anyone looking to improve team efficiency and ensure projects are moving along smoothly. First off, let's talk about how to use the dashboard. It's a central hub where you can get an instant snapshot of everything that's happening in your projects. From here, you can monitor key performance indicators, such as task completion, deadlines, and upcoming milestones. What's great is that Teamwork lets you customize the dashboard to show the most important metrics for your team, making it easy to focus on what really matters. You can also take advantage of the task list feature, which allows you to break down larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Each task can be assigned to a team member, and you can track its status, whether it's in progress, completed, or overdue. Monitoring tasks like this helps you get a granular view of performance on an individual level, while still seeing the big picture of the overall project. For even deeper insights into team performance, the time tracking tool in teamwork.com is a game changer. It allows you to track how much time each team member is spending on tasks. This not only helps you monitor productivity, but also identifies any areas where team members may be spending too much time or could benefit from additional resources or support. You can even generate detailed reports that show how time is being allocated across different projects and tasks, giving you a clear understanding of how effectively your team is using their time. Another powerful feature is the reporting feature in Teamwork. With this, you can create custom reports to analyze project and task progress, team workload, and more. These reports can be shared with key stakeholders, providing them with the performance insights they need to make data-driven decisions. You can also set up automatic email notifications to keep everyone in the loop without having to manually send updates. Teamwork's integrations with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Trello further enhance the way you can monitor performance. For example, you can set up notifications in Slack that alert you when a task is completed or when a deadline is approaching, keeping you updated on team activity in real time. Now, the key to effective monitoring is not just tracking performance, but also having the right conversations with your team. With Teamwork, you can leave comments directly on tasks, making it easy to collaborate and provide feedback on work in progress. This level of communication ensures that everyone is aligned and can address potential issues before they become bigger problems. Finally, let's talk about using the Project Milestones feature. This allows you to track the key milestones in any project and monitor if the team is hitting those targets on time. Being able to visualize these milestones and how they relate to your team's progress will help you identify if the project is on track or if any adjustments need to be made to stay within deadlines. So, to wrap things up, if you're looking to monitor team performance in teamwork.com, make sure to leverage the dashboard, task lists, time tracking, reporting, integrations, and milestones. Each of these features plays a key role in helping you stay on top of your team's progress and ensure that everyone is working efficiently. And before you go, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below for your exclusive and extended free trial of teamwork.com. This is the perfect opportunity to explore all these features firsthand and see how they can help you and your team succeed. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects.